The United States has faced numerous devastating hurricanes throughout its history, many of which have resulted in significant loss of life and property. Here are some of the most catastrophic hurricanes recorded. Galveston Hurricane, 1900. The Galveston hurricane is considered the deadliest natural disaster in US history, claiming approximately 8,000 lives. This Category 4 storm struck Galveston, Texas on September 8, 1900, with winds reaching up to 145 miles per hour. The storm surge inundated the island, leading to widespread destruction and a total estimated damage of $30 million at the time. San Felipe Okeechobee Hurricane 1928. This hurricane caused 2,166 fatalities, primarily in Florida, and is noted for its catastrophic impact on Lake Okeechobee. It made landfall on September 16, 1928, as a Category 4 storm with winds between 130 to 156 miles per hour. The storm's surge led to devastating flooding, particularly around the lake area. New England Hurricane, 1938. Known as the Long Island Express, this Category 3 hurricane struck on September 21, 1938. It resulted in around 600 deaths and caused $308 million in damages. The storm rapidly intensified and traveled through New York and New England, causing severe flooding and destruction. Hurricane Camille, a Category 5 hurricane, made landfall on August 17, 1969, on the Mississippi coast with winds exceeding 157 miles per hour. It caused 256 deaths and inflicted about $1.4 billion in damages. Camille's heavy rainfall led to catastrophic flooding inland, impacting areas as far away as Virginia. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. One of the most infamous hurricanes in US history, Katrina struck New Orleans and surrounding areas on August 29, 2005. With winds reaching 125 miles per hour, it caused nearly 2,000 deaths and left over 1.5 million residents displaced. The storm's failure of levees led to extensive flooding and damage, estimated at $125 billion, making it one of the costliest disasters in US history. Hurricane Harvey, 2017. Harvey made landfall in Texas as a Category 4 hurricane on August 25, 2017. It caused unprecedented flooding in Houston and surrounding areas, resulting in over 100 deaths and damages estimated at $125 billion. Hurricane Ian, 2022. Striking Florida as a Category 4 hurricane on September 28th, Ian caused extensive damage with wind speeds up to 160 miles per hour, resulting in about 161 fatalities and an estimated $113 billion in damages. It was particularly devastating for southwestern Florida. These hurricanes exemplify the destructive power of tropical cyclones and their ability to cause widespread devastation across various regions of the United States. Each event has shaped emergency response strategies and policies aimed at mitigating future hurricane impacts.